Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I mean, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This could be a top right here, but looking at all yen pairs, I actually believe that this is not a top. I actually do believe that it is going to keep on going up and make new highs. Now, today we do have US dollar news. We got US interest rate news coming out today. That is going to be a big news event for all dollar pairs, and I will be live streaming for that news event today. So make sure you stop in and check out my YouTube live stream so we can take a closer look at all these dollar pairs way before the news comes out, which should give us a better understanding of what the news is actually going to do. So heading down to the weekly time frame on the dollar yen, I mean, you could definitely look at this like I've been saying for weeks now, then say that this is possibly an A, a B, and then it goes down for a wave C. And I do think that is a possibility, but I actually believe that's actually the most least likely possibility. I actually think that it is in an uptrend, and I think it's going to take out these previous highs and probably just keep on trending up. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I actually think this move down was actually a modal wave correction, and I think this down here was the end of a correction, and I think it will go up and keep making new highs. I think this move right here is probably a correction to this last wave up, and I do believe that it is going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Now, what happens if it bounces from the 78%, goes down and breaks structure? Then I would be happy to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again, because at that point, that should pretty much prove that we're going back down for a wave C and that this really is an ABC correction. But like I said, I think this is the least likely scenario. I actually believe that maybe it will bounce from that 78%, but I do believe that it is just going to keep on trending up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave five right now. And I think the wave five is not over. I think it's going to keep on going. And it possibly could just be a subdivision of a much larger trend. It may not even be a wave five. It could just be a subdivision of a larger uptrend. So I definitely am primarily looking for long still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, we do have big news coming out today. I actually feel like it's pretty likely that this will drift down between now and the news. And if it does, drift down, maybe even take out these lows prior to the news, then that would give a perfect setup to go long. But a lot can happen in the next 8 hours or so, so we definitely need to reevaluate all these dollar pairs right before the news comes out to get a better understanding of what is most likely going to happen. And I will be doing that YouTube live stream right before the news comes out, so make sure that you stop in and watch that. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.